10, 9, 8. Ignition sequence start. Engines armed. 5, 4, 3, 1. All engines running.
Hey there everyone! Have you ever looked up at the night sky, then seen all of the shining stars, maybe even some planets, then thought, can we actually be alone in such a vast universe? And then wondered, do aliens exist? Do they not? How do we know? Well, I have thought that too. And there actually is a celestial body in our solar system, if you believe it or not, that might have alien life. Now, can you guess what the celestial body is? Well, if your answer was Europa, you would be right. Now, you may or may not have heard Europa's name before, so let me just give you a quick introduction on Europa. Now, Europa is one of the four largest moons of Jupiter, or one of the four Galilean moons of Jupiter. It is similar to the Earth's moon and has a rocky and icy surface. It is tidally locked to Jupiter, which means that it is always facing towards Jupiter. Now, let's figure out how Europa could possibly have aliens. So, Europa has caught the attention of astronomers and space agencies from all around the world. This is because Europa may be one of the most promising places in our solar system to find present day environments suitable for some form of life beyond Earth. Scientists believe that a saltwater ocean lies beneath its icy shell. It also may have the chemical elements that are key ingredients to life. Now, the saltwater oceans that are found on Europa are similar to the ones on Earth. So, the interesting fact is that these saltwater oceans were where life first started on Earth too, and the same might be happening on Europa. The surprising thing is that Europa's ocean has twice the volume of water on Earth and is 100 kilometers deep. Just for a comparison, 100 kilometers is the distance between the surface of the earth and space. Can you believe that? This salty ocean has the necessary composition and life supporting chemicals for extraterrestrial life to develop. Okay, so there are many proofs that we have collected that suggest this saltwater ocean under Europa's crust is actually real. Some of them include that the magnetic fields of Europa, which were shown from the Galileo mission, suggest a large saltwater ocean beneath the surface, which we had discussed. Some more proofs of this ocean could be geological activity like warm ice rising to the surface and plumes of water vapor erupting from Europa, spotted by the Hubble Space Telescope. Many other Jupiter missions like Pioneer 10, Pioneer 11, and along with Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 have collected strong evidence. Now, the life forms on Europa, that is, if they truly do exist, would not be like the aliens you would imagine. Instead, they would more likely be aquatic microorganisms like algae or amoeba on Earth. But remember, all life on Earth, including us, started and evolved from these kinds of organisms in salty oceans. So, you know what that means? Europa could also develop advanced life forms in the upcoming millions of years, and that is crazy to think about. It could still have a chance to have advanced aquatic life forms right now. Imagine aliens living in the sea. Now, the reason for this is that Europa is just as old as anything else in the solar system, of course, if you're not counting the sun. And we don't know the exact age of the ocean on Europa. So, there has been given plenty of time for evolution, and sea aliens could have formed on Europa. Now, in order to investigate these potential life forms and this deep ocean in Europa, NASA had launched the Europa Clipper mission on October 14, 2024. It is expected to fly by Europa in April of 2030, collecting crucial information about the suspected ocean and possible life forms. The Europa Clipper mission would not be able to land on Europa since Jupiter's unimaginably intense gravity might pull it apart or hamper its results, possibly. But the Europa Clipper mission can still collect information from far away using cutting edge technology. So, stay tuned for aliens in 2030.